Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing off our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the logical reasoning section of the paper. So if we talk about the logical reasoning section this year, so we have actually seen that the questions have come to be a little bit more involving critical reasoning as such. So the question that we've seen are a little bit on the difficult side as far as if you compare with the previous year, and they are required uh, a certain extent of critical thinking to actually solve the same. Okay, so having said that, we'll basically take a look at the question in front of us and then try to understand how to go about solving the same, so that we can get a general idea to solve this kind of question whenever we come across this question in such. Okay, so having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R are sitting around a circular table at equal distances between each other. So what is this? We have 8 people who are sitting, okay, equal distance, but not necessarily same order. Some of the people are facing the center while some other are in a direction facing outwards. Okay, so we basically have a table, a circular table. Okay, 8 people are sitting, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, some are facing inside and some are facing outside. So a note has been given. Highlight the same note. Facing same direction means that if one person faces the center, then the other person also faces the center, and if one person faces outside, then the other person also faces outside. Okay, facing opposite direction means if one person faces the center, then the other person faces outwards and vice versa. Okay, so I think this should be kept in mind. Immediate neighbors face the same direction means, okay, another important note here given is that immediate neighbor face same direction means that if one neighbor faces center, then the other neighbors also face the center, and if one neighbor faces outside, then the other also faces outside. Okay, so this 2 points, and another important point given is immediate neighbor face opposite direction means if one neighbor face the center, then the other neighbors faces outward and vice versa. Okay, so these three things, important note, should be kept in mind. O sits third to the right of L. Okay, this is one point. O sits third to the right of L. Both O and L faces the same direction. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me draw two charts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here is given O and L face the same direction. Only 3 people sit between P and M. So 3 people sit between P and M. P is neither a neighbor of L or O. So P is not a neighbor, immediate neighbor of L of O. M faces outwards. Okay, M faces outwards. So M is given, M faces outwards. Let me highlight this point. M faces outwards. R sits immediate left of M. Okay, so let me just M faces outwards. Okay, so M is facing this direction and R is immediate left of M. So if this is right, so immediate left being this one, R is here. So we have any other point with respect to R? No. Q sits to the immediate right of N. So Q sits to the immediate right of N. Q sits to the immediate right of N. Neither L nor O is the immediate neighbor of N. Okay, L and O are not the immediate neighbor of N. O are not immediate neighbor of N. Okay, both immediate neighbor of M face opposite direction. Immediate neighbor of M face opposite directions. Okay, so that is R and M. So let me do one thing. Let me draw M here. Again, M faces outside. So In one case, let me draw R faces inside and this one faces outside, and this one faces outside and this faces inside. Okay, so R is here. So M face opposite direction. S sits second to the right of R. Second to the right of R, that is S will be here. Second to the right of R, that is S will be here. Okay. S is second to the right of R. Both R and Q face the same direction as S. Both R and Q face the same direction as S. Okay, so here it's given that R, S and Q face the same direction as S. Okay, so that means this particular diagram is wrong because here S and R are opposite direction. So this diagram comes out to be wrong. So let me remove the same. So this diagram is cancelled. So that means S also faces inside. Okay, but we don't know where Q. P faces the direction opposite to N. P faces the direction opposite to N. Okay. Now, what else is given that we can actually use? So, O sits third to the right of L. P is neither immediate neighbor of L or M. Okay, P will not be there. Neither L nor immediate neighbor of N or no N. Second to both R and Q. So, P faces same direction as N. So, O sits third to the right of L. Okay, O sits third to the right of L. So, in which positions L, N, so what M faces outwards. So, we have M, only 3 people sits between N and M. Okay, so 3 people actually sit between, we can use this point, only 3 people sit between P and M. So, if we talk about P and M, so 3 people, P has to be this one. Yes, only 3 people sit between P and M. Okay, so P is given there, so P will be facing outside. And again, what P faces the direction opposite at N. Okay, so we don't know N. So what else is given? Neither immediate neighbor of L nor O. So we won't have L here or O here. Okay, L and O will not be here. So what else is given? Q sits immediate right of, no, Q sits immediate right of N. So Q can sit immediate right of N. So Q, if Q sits here, then N has to sit here. So that way we can work. Both the neighbors of M faces opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction. That being said, neither immediate neighbor of N. What else can we use? Both the neighbors of M face opposite direction. S is again, both the R and O face same direction. R and O face same direction. So R and O same direction as P faces direction opposite to N. So direction opposite to N. What else? What are these other values? Like we say 3 people, they O and L same direction. P is immediate. P is the immediate neighbor L nor O. Okay, L and O will not be there. M faces of us left of M. Okay, that point is done. Q sits immediate right of N. So Q sits to the immediate right of N. Okay, we don't know yet. Neither L nor O is the immediate neighbor of N. Okay, neither L or O is the immediate neighbor of N. So one thing they do, L and O cannot be here. So L or O, one of them has to be here. Immediate neighbor of N. They are not immediate neighbor of N. So I can do one thing. I can actually place N here. So this one. So immediate right. If N faces outside, so immediate right will be. So let me say L faces inside. Okay. So P will face outside because they are opposite direction. So this will be Q. Okay, so L and O, is given. So either this is L, one is L, one is O. So what else is given? Immediate neighbor, neither L or immediate. M faces opposite direction. What is the direction of Q? Both R and Q faces the same direction as S. So Q also faces inside. Yes, Q also faces inside. We have that. Now coming to L and O. So both L and O will face outside. So which one will be which? So let's try and identify that. P is neither immediate neighbor of N and immediate neighbor of both. The immediate neighbor M faces opposite direction. S faces opposite direction. Right, done. P faces direction opposite to N. P faces direction O is third to the right of L. Okay, suppose if this is L, then O, okay, yeah, this will have to be O. Third, O sits third to the right of L. First point, very first point. Third to the right of L. Yes, this is the only possible. So yes, this is our diagram. So this is how the entire thing. So let me, if I am to draw this properly, then let me just give you a brief idea on how things are. Okay, so this is our diagram. This is P, S, L, R, M, O, Q and N. Okay, now how many people of the given arrangement face the center? How many centers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 people face the center. What is N's position with respect to P? N is immediate left of P. Okay, immediate left. 4 of the following are alike in a certain way based on the given seating arrangement and so form a group. Which one does not? So L, S, okay, N, okay, Q, okay, R, yes. Here S, N, R and Q, they all face inside, but L actually face outside. So N is the odd one out. Which of the following is true regarding to Q as per the given arrangement? Only 3 people sit between Q and R. Wrong. First one wrong. Q sits second to the right of O. Wrong again. Q faces outwards. Yes, 46 Q. Q faces outwards. No, that is also wrong. Q faces inwards. None of the given statement don't know. Q sits second to the left of P. Yes, Q sits second to the left of P. Option 5 is correct. Okay. 46 and now 47. Who among the following sits exactly between the one who sits second to the left of P? Exactly between M, okay, yes, M and the one who is second to the left of P. So, if you look, number 5, M and second to the left of P. So, yes, it is second to the left of P. So, O, yes, we are talking about O. So, option 4 is a correct answer. So, I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So, this was a very interesting question and a very typical one because it involves two kinds of sitting arrangement, both inward facing and outward facing. So a lot of emphasis has to be taken into the point that has been mentioned towards the solving the same so that we can successfully solve the question as well. So in case you are having any difficulty with respect to understanding the question, I suggest you go through the video multiple times and then subsequently try and solve the question on your own so that you can get a better idea towards solving the same as well. So having said that, in case you are looking to get yourselves a detailed solution of the question paper, that is a question of the VR section, the QA section, and the LRDA section as well. So kindly go through the, feel free to connect with us, go through the description section of the video wherein you will find all the necessary details for you required to connect with us, be it our website link, be it our email address and the numbers for on which you can call, text or WhatsApp us, feel free to connect with us. So with that said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, and in case you need any help, feel free to connect with us, help regarding your exam preparation or any doubt related question. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So with that being said, we have come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.